Hi everyone, today we are building this 3D product hero section in Framer without writing any code. I recreate this project using the original website's content, aiming to get as close as possible without using code. The website link and the remix link are in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, here about layers, desktop, and to make it layout, press F to draw a frame, width, fill, height, viewport. Don't know if it's a bug. I think it's a UI glitch here, so just ignore it. Then make it layout, right click on it, create component, name it hero section or anything that is meaningful. Also change the name to desktop, press T to add text, paste this text, select it, change the font to instrument serif, size, make it really big like 200 pixel and add a max width 700 pixel. Also change the weight to italic and now add texture image width, make it 1200, absolute, align it here or maybe slightly bottom like here. Click this text to styles, z index 5 to place it at the top. Next let's add our video and then drag it and drop it here. Change the position type to absolute, lock the aspect ratio, set the width 800, align it center and add z index 10 to place it at the top. Finally let's change the background color here, scroll down, fill and paste this color code. Also we can change the color here to white. Then create 3 more variants by clicking here and then here. You can rename it to dex2 for this 3 and for this 4. Go to the second variant, fill, change it to this color. As for the third, change it to this. Finally for this. Next click here and add interactions, click. As for this, click. And finally for this, click. Now let's see how it looks. Go to desktop, set the height, fit content, click the full screen. Yes, it looks nice as you can see. Now let's add the cursor, custom cursor, double click on it, draw a frame, width 150, height same, and click here, this dot, drag it to the bottom like this, make it layout, inside it add text, then scroll down, change the font to Inter, size maybe 70, color, change the color to this color code, weight, make it regular or maybe semi bold. Let's see. Yeah, it looks nice. Change the name to custom cursor. Also let's add a background color here, scroll down, fill, let's make it component, right click on it, create component and name it custom cursor. Then go back to home, click here, click this desktop again, scroll down, cursor, custom cursor, add, create variable, name it cursor, or you can change it to custom cursor for consistency. Go back to home, click this cursor, choose follow and select the component custom cursor. We can add a transition. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. We can reduce the font size a little, maybe 60. Also if you set the cursor to replace, it will entirely change our cursor. As you can see, we can see the default cursor icon. Go back and let's make it responsive. Click here and here. Change the name to tablet. Set the width 810. Click the text. Scroll down. Reduce the size to 150. Align it center. Also for the video, make it 600. Maybe align it center. And now just create 3 more variants and repeat the exact same process by adding the interaction here. I'll skip this part for now and move on to the mobile version. Click here, then here, name it phone, set the width 390, make it 400 I guess. For the text, let's see, 100. Also reduce the max width to maybe 560 or 600, looks fine. We can increase the video little bit, 450, looks nice. Let's work on this. Align it maybe center or maybe a little bottom like here. As for this, it looks nice. Now go back home, breakpoints, select for tablet and for phone, and let's give it a preview one more time. It's on desktop, it's on the phone, and it's on the tablet. Finally, add the remaining can variants and match one its corresponding background color. So click on the variant 2, scroll down, file, upload our second video, repeat the same process. Let's give it a preview to see how it looks. This is the first variant, it's second, third, and it's fourth. So that's pretty much it. You have made it this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.